Okay, so okay. So biglang nag-stop yung meeting. So balikan natin ito. So di ba nga kanina, so L and X times X raised to 5 over 5 minus ito, i-integrate naman natin to. Gagawin naman natin, multiply muna natin siya. Then, so 1 over X times X raised to the 5th over 5. Gusto natin ng integral sign. And lalagyan natin ng dx since in-integrate natin yung, dinerive natin yung ln x. So ito, multiply lang natin to. So magiging x raised to the 5th ln x over 5 minus ito, cancel to, magiging itong x raised to the 4th integral of x to the 4th over 5 dx. And yung 1 over 5 dito is a constant. So, ilalabas mo lang yan. So, ito magiging itong x to the 5th ulit. And then x copy. 1/5 x to the 4th dx. So, pag in-integrate mo to, magiging lang siyang x to the 5th over 5th. So, magiging lang itong x to the 5th ln x over 5 minus ito x to the 5th over 5 times 5 is 25 plus C. Therefore, this is the answer. Yun nga natin. Olo. Ito x cube ln x. Pero ito, ito x to the 4th naman pala. Yung isa x cube. Kaya pala. So, yun x to the 4th ln x over 4 minus x to the 4th. Same. Oh, almost same. Okay. Tama. Ngayon, ito. Try naman natin itong EDI method. So, D, I, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So, again, Lie 8 method. So, L natin. So, wait lang, Lie 8. Meron tayo ditong algebraic. Meron tayo ditong trigo. So, una yung A. And since yung A dito, mas na malapit siya dito. So, therefore, priority siya to be derived. So, therefore, x will be placed here. Tapos, cos 3x yung ilalagay dito. So, x, derivative ng x is dx. Or is 1. Is 1 pa lang. Next is ito. Integral of cos 3x would be 1/3 sine 3x. Diba? Next, yung derivative ng 1 would be 0. And this one naman, magiging itong 1 over 9 cos 3x. Kasi integrate mo yung 1/3 sine 3x. Okay. Di ba ito maging negative? Negative 1 over 9 cos 3x pala dapat. Anyway, so ngayon, gagamit na naman tayo ng ganitong trick. So, multiply, then multiply and integrate. So, okay. yung ano natin, multiply natin to dito. So, maging itong x times 1/3 sine 3x minus 1 negative 1/9 cos 3x plus integral of 0 multiplied by negative 1/9 cos 3x dx. Kaso since ito is multiplied by 0, so ito cancel na lang. So therefore, ito nga maging itong 1/3 x sine 3x. Ito maging itong positive 1/9 cos 3x. Then, ilalagay lang natin yung plus 2. So, therefore, this is the answer. So, tignan natin. Uy, tama. Tama. O, di ba? Ganito lang solution niya ng DI method. Pero if you use the formula method, ganito kahaba yung formula mo. So, that's why I recommend the DI method talaga. Kasi sobrang ikli lang ng solution niya. Okay. Ito would be second case naman daw. So, dito, sige, tignan natin, no? So, using DI method, diba? DI, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So, dito, may lie 8 na naman tayo. Yung L natin would be ln x. And meron tayong algebraic dito, which is 1 over square root of x. This is algebraic. Diba? Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ewan ko. Charlotte lang. So, ngayon, since priority to be derived yung logarithmic, sulat lang natin siya, ln x sa d. Tapos, since algebraic natin is 1 over square root of x, sulat lang natin 1 over square root of x. So, what is the derivative of 1 over x? Ay, ln x. This is 1 over x, diba? Then, integral nito would be, diba, this also equal to x raised to negative 1/2. So, pag integrate mo ito, maging itong x cubed, hindi, x raised to 1/2 over 1/2 or equal to 2x 1/2. So, ito maging itong 2x raised to 1/2. Okay? Follow? Yes, follow. Okay. Ngayon, diba, from logarithmic, bigla siyang naging algebraic. And itong dalawa, parehas na siyang algebraic. Therefore, we will proceed to a stop. So, gamitin natin yung second case dyan. So, multiply, then multiply and integrate. And nilagyan ko ng red and green. So, yan, equal. So, ln x multiplied by 2x raised to 1/2 minus integral of 1 over x tapos 2x raised to 1/2 tapos lagyan natin ng dx kasi dinerive nga natin yung ln x, diba? Naging 1 over x dx. So ito, multiply lang natin to. Nahin ko na lang to, 2x raised to 1/2 ln x minus ito ito diba, equal siya sa x raised to negative 1. Tapos, itong 2 pala is a coefficient, so labas lang natin siya. Tapos, meron tayo multiplied by x raised to 1/2. Diba pag nagmo-multiply tayo ng exponent with the same base, pagpa-plus ay ipag-add lang natin. So, x raised to negative 1 plus 1/2, that would be negative 1/2. Diba? So, therefore, ito magiging lang itong 2x raised to negative 1/2 dx. Okay na, follow? So, therefore, ito magiging itong 2x raised to 1/2 ln x, copy lang, minus 2x raised to 1/2 over 1/2, and we can add the plus c. Ito magiging itong 2x raised to 1/2 ln x minus 4, kasi ito reciprocal niya, reciprocal ng 2, ay ng 1/2 is 2 times 2 is 4. Tapos, x raised to 1/2 plus c. Therefore, this is the answer. C to hindi siya E. Hindi siya E. Wait lang. Baka akalain E to eh. Yun. O, diba? Okay. Ito, third case is the third case na mapapawat the heck kayo. Okay, so sulat muna natin din ulit yung line 8, diba? This one is exponential. So, this one is exponential. This one is trigo, diba? So therefore, using the DI method, positive, negative, sulat natin yung cos to x dito, tapos e raised to 5x dito. Now follow. Wait lang, gawin natin yellow. Yan, positive, negative, positive. Magiging itong cos to x, ito e raised to 5x. Ito, magiging itong 2, will naging negative 2 sine 2x. Ito magiging itong 1 over 5 e raised to 5x. So, para di kayo malito, di ba? Integral of e raised to 5x dx. Yung magla-let u ka na e raised to u equals 5x, hindi yun natin magiging d over 5 over dx. Kaya naging 1/5 siya. Yun. Kaya naging 1/5 siya. And ngayon, as you can see, ito is trigo pa rin. Ito exponential pa rin. So, hindi ma-apply yung second case. Kasi different functions nila. So, second case is wala. Pag in-integrate mo pa to ng matagal, kahit umabot ka pa ng millions, hindi yan magiging zero. So, therefore, first case is x-ren. So, anong sinasabi ng third case? So, sabi sa third case, product of row goes back to the original and disregarding the coefficient. So, ibig sabihin, pag yung product daw nung row, ayan, say yan yung row, naging kaparehas niya yung original, magsa-stop na tayo. So, tignan natin. I-integrate natin ito. Diba? Ito magiging itong negative 4 cos 2x. Ito magiging itong 1 over 25 e raised to 5x. So, since sinabi niya is disregarding the coefficient, so let's just, anuin muna natin. Parang, tanggalin muna natin sa, ayan, bilogan muna natin. Huwag na natin, wait lang. Ito yung bilogan natin. So, product of a row goes back to the original. So, pag minultiply mo to sa isa't isa, disregarding the coefficient, di ba makukuha mo? E raised to 5x cos 2x, di ba? And ito, equal siya dito. So, therefore, at this point, mag-stop na tayo. So, now, we can use, pwede na natin gawin yung multiply, then integrate. So, ngayon, yan, 1. So, multiply natin to, cos 2x, 1/5 e raised to 5x. So, negative times negative, that would be positive. Diba? So, magiging itong 2 sine 2x multiplied by 1/25 e raised to 5x. Ngayon, minus 4 cos 2x wait lang. Multiply by 1/25 e raised to 5x. Kaso since naka-green siya, and naka-row, multiplying by row, i-integrate natin yan. So, sige, i-ano lang natin to. I-simplify lang natin to. Maging itong 1/5 e raised to 5x cos 2x plus 2/25 e raised to 5x sine 2x. Tapos, ilalabas natin yung negative 4 over 25. Wait lang. Minus 4/25 e raised to 5x cos 2x. As you can see, di ba nga itong e raised to 5x cos 2x, pag in-integrate mo pa yan, babalik ka rin naman dito. Babalik ka rin dito. Wait lang. Babalik ka rin dito. Babalik ka rin dito. So, it's an ending. So, paulit-ulit hanggang hindi matapos. So, once nakita ka na ganito, when the product goes back to the original, ito. Ang gagawin mo dyan, you will solve it algebraically. Solve algebraically. So, how to do that? So, gagawin lang natin, ibaba muna natin to. Diba? Sabi niya, e raised to 5x cos 2x dx equals 1/5 e raised to 5x cos 2x plus 2/25 e raised to 5x sine 2x minus 4/25 e raised to 5x cos 2x. Lagyan natin ng dx. Hindi ko nalagyan ng dx. Yan, di ba? So ngayon, pag sinabi natin solve algebraically, itong negative 4 e raised to negative 4/25, ililipat natin siya sa other side. So pag nilipat natin siya, magiging itong e raised to 5x cos 2x dx plus 4/25 e raised to 5x cos 2x dx equals 1/5 e raised to 5x cos 2x plus 2/25 e raised to 5x sin 2x. So ngayon, di ba dito, there's an invisible 1, which is also equal to 25/25. So, pag pinag-add natin to, 25 over 95 plus 4 over 25, magiging siyang 29 over 25. E raised to 5x cos 2x dx plus 1/5 e raised to 5x cos 2x plus 2 over 25 e raised to 5x sin 2x. Diba? So, yung gagawin lang natin dyan, we have to eliminate the coefficient. And to eliminate the coefficient, we have to divide both sides by 29 over 25. So, maka-cancel to. And so, therefore, ito magiging na lang itong e raised to 5x cos 2x dx equals, ito madidistribute yung 29 over 25. So, ito magiging itong 1/5 e raised to 5x cos 2x over 29 over 25 plus 2 over 25 e raised to 5x sin 2x over 29 over 25. So, ito, kahit na lang solve natin. So, di ba, 1 over 5. And, yung sinasabi ko dati, pag nagkakaroon ka ng fraction sa denominator, you only have to reciprocate it. And ano ba yung reciprocal ng 29 over 25? Diba? 25 over 29. So, e raised to 5x cos 2x plus 2 over 25, 25 over 29, reciprocal ulit, sin 2x, yan. So, ito, we will only cancel. So, ito magiging itong 5 over 29, e raised to 5x cos 2x, so, cancel to, plus 2 over 29, e raised to 5x sin 2x, then this would be add mo ng plus c. Therefore, this is the final answer. So, that's that. So, yun lang. I hope you learned something and I hope napadali ko yung buhay nyo sa integral calc. So, thank you. So, yun lang.